starting your own YouTube channel in 2020 and thereafter. You may be wondering why a lot of people are becoming so interested in starting a YouTube channel, having YouTube channel. It is because you can make money on YouTube, no matter how small. You can make money from ad revenue, from affiliated marketing and other sorts of income if you have a YouTube platform. It is okay to start little. I'm going to be telling you all the steps. If you have an account already, if you're on YouTube, if you're on Google already, I'm going to be giving you tips to a successful YouTube channel. I am new on YouTube. I'm not so long, but I can tell you I have been monetized on YouTube, so I have decided to share my journey with you so we can grow together and enjoy this YouTube experience. So first of all, if you want to start your YouTube channel, you want to go into YouTube, top right corner of YouTube, you're going to see sign in. Click on sign in. You have to sign up or log in using a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you can continue, but if you do not have an existing Google account, then you have to create Google account. To create Google account, go to YouTube, go to sign in. There will be an option for you to create account. From the point where you create account, you'll be directed on how to create Google account. It is very easy, to take you less than 2 minutes to have your Google account. Once you have your Google account, then you can log in, go to settings. Settings is at the top corner of your YouTube or of your page, either on your phone or your laptop, wherever device you're going to be using. Under Google settings, you will see an option to create a channel. Click on that settings, go to create a channel. That is where you'll be able to put your channel name. You will have the option to create either a personal account or a business account. Click on that personal or business account. There you'll be able to name your channel. From the part where you'll be able to name your channel, put the name you want to be associated to your YouTube channel. If it is a private channel, if it is your own personal name, if you think of another name already that you want to use, just put in the name that you want your channel to be. Yes, congratulations, you now have your YouTube channel. Once you have your YouTube channel, remember to verify your account. Once you verify your account, it will help you to be able to upload video that is more than 15 minutes and to help you to be able to comments or record live video, go on YouTube live and talk to your audience. You're going to start gradually. I'm going to be giving you a few tips. First of all is for you to make up your mind. If there's one regret I have about YouTube, it is not starting YouTube when I wanted to. It is taking so long for me to start YouTube because I was thinking I have to have everything, because I have to have everything before I can start YouTube. But the truth is, you don't need to have everything. Your mind, research. For you to be watching this video, that means you're already contemplating. The best time to start your channel, it is now. Now, when a lot of people are at home, they are watching a lot of video. Holiday is coming, the end of the year is coming. Why can't you start your YouTube channel now? It is now you're going to have the audience you want. A lot of people have a lot of time to either create or to watch YouTube. Do you know how many? Over 1 billion people watch YouTube videos every day, spending hours, millions of hours on YouTube daily. So there's tendency that you can grow and be successful, make money on YouTube. After you've made up your mind to start a YouTube channel, congratulations. Then you need to decide on what topic you want to talk about. What is going to be the style of your YouTube? Is it going to be sit down video like mine? Is it going to be vlog that is going about showing people? Is it going to be adventure? Do you want to talk about your family? Do you want to talk about your lifestyle? Is it hair video? Is it how to do something? It can be in any language. There will be someone, or there will be people who will be able to understand whatever language you speak. You don't need to be perfect. Just start. And in case you're still confused on where to start, what to be your niche, what you should be talking about, try a little bit of everything. Like me, I'm trying a little bit of everything and I'm beginning to identify what I'm really interested in. You have to check your audience. Who is really watching your video? It is not about what you really want to talk about. It's about, do you have an audience for the video you're going to be creating? So you need to check what is going to be your target. Is it going to be motherhood? Is it going to be lifestyle? Is it going to be dressing? Is it going to be hair? You can have 1, 2, 3. Do not niche down too much. That is, do not narrow your topic too much that you won't be able to diverse into other topics when you want to. So once you've decided on what topic you want to talk about, be able to know your target audience. Then you need to build your confidence. It is not everybody who is confident when they're talking to people. Start by talking to yourself in the mirror. You can have your relative, your brother, your sibling, somebody to sit in front of you with your camera, and you act as if you're talking to them. Make eye contact. You begin to build your confidence, and with time, remember, your first video can never be perfect. Even me, look at other YouTubers online today. They started somewhere, somehow, and their first video can never be the same. There's room for improvement. Even my first video right now, whenever I look at it, it is so funny. I just laugh at myself. But listen to people's correction. Watch your own video to detect where you've made mistake. Watch your own video to know what you're doing wrong. Put yourself in the shoe of the audience and see, if I am the audience, will I watch this particular video? Be very sincere. Do not start your YouTube channel on the basis of lie. For instance, I cannot just come to you now and tell you how I made £5,000 on YouTube, how I made 1 million on YouTube, because I am not there yet. I am still growing. So do not start your channel on a false note. Be sincere as much as possible, because people can see through you. Even if they can't see through you, one day you're going to get caught, or they're going to discover that you're lying, and you're going to lose all the trust, all the love, all the support you're getting already. So please remember to be sincere with your channel. Whatever you're going to be talking about, do not say things that will make you look like a liar, or things that you are sure it is not true. So build your channel on sincerity, on the truth. Do your research. Check other people's channel, check other YouTubers' channel. There's people who are already successful on YouTube. Watch their channel. What are they doing right? How do they do their thumbnail? How do they do their introduction? How do they do their editing? To improve yourself, not to envy them, but to improve yourself, and set a goal for yourself, but do not set a goal that is too high. For instance, you're starting right now, you don't have any subscriber, or your subscriber is just 30, 40, 50. You're going to get there one day. Just like me, I didn't start with any subscriber. It took me weeks to even be able to even share my channel with anybody, because I wasn't sure people will like it. But the moment I started it, I did it, I began to see that I have a lot of supporters that really want to listen to me, really want to watch my content. So make sure you watch other content creators to see how you can also improve yourself. What are they doing right? Which camera are they using? What phone are they using? How are they doing their setting? And to help you to grow a lot. A lot of people may be asking, how do I go about starting a YouTube channel when I don't have a camera? I don't have the money to purchase a camera. As long as you have a phone, an Android phone, iPad, you can start with that. I started using an iPhone. I graduated to using Android before I got myself a camera, which I don't even know how to use as such. But start from somewhere. Just make your voice known. People will love you, not for the type of phone you're using or the camera you're using, but they will love you for who you really are and for what you're seeing. Start with your phone. Remember, if you're using your phone, make sure you record using your phone slanted and not like this. Make sure it is slanted, because if you allow your phone, if you record like this, your video is going to be half, it's not going to be full. But if you record slanted, your video is going to be full screen, and it will be very beautiful to watch. The back camera is more clear compared to the front camera, but I prefer to look at myself whenever I make my video when I was using my phone. So I like to use my front camera, and it still does the work, but the camera at the back will give you better quality. And remember, when you're recording, remember to look into the small pinhole on the phone. Don't look into the main screen of your phone, then you're not going to make eye contact with your audience. But look into the small hole of your phone, and it will look at, when they watch it, it will look as if you're talking to your audience face to face. Same with using your iPad. Make sure it is slanted and not this way. Record with your iPad, record with your iPhone, record with your Android, and just start something. No matter how small it is, one day you're going to be a professional. If you have a camera, good for you. Start with your camera. You can edit using free applications. If you have an iPhone, iPad, you can use iMovie. They are free to use, and they are very nice. I use them once for editing. If you're using Android, applications like Filmora, InShot, they are free. And to edit your thumbnail, you can use things like Canva, a lot of other things. But if you want to now graduate to being a professional, you can begin to think of buying Final Cut Pro and start with whatever free applications, easy to use. Just start something and see how it goes. See if you love it. Another thing I'm going to say is to try to watch your own video. Remember, if you do not like your own video at all, I know some people cannot watch themselves talk to themselves, but at least is your video interesting? If you're the audience, will you be able to concentrate on this video? Will you enjoy the video? Will you like the video? Watch your own video to see your own error, to see what you need to improve, and to see if your audience will like it. Promote your video. It cannot get too much. The maximum you see is people will not click it, but promote your video. Do not be afraid to share your video on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on any platform you've got. The more you share, the more people will get to know that you exist before you become successful. No matter how successful you are, you also still need to promote your video. Promote your video on every platform. Start today. Don't wait until tomorrow, so you are not going to regret not starting on time. Start little, be consistent. Do not make one video today and forget about it for the next 3-4 years before you come back to it. But do not put yourself under pressure of producing one video every day, or 4, 5, 6 videos every week, that you are now become pressured to make videos. If it's going to be once a week, twice a week, do it at least to keep your audience going. Try to make videos that are alike. For instance, if you make one video on food, make sure they are up to at least 2, so that once someone have watched the first one, then they can promote to the next one and you get more views. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and let's grow together. Start your own channel. Let me know if you're going to start. A lot of people have been asking me about starting the channel. I hope this video helped you. Let me know what you want me to talk about the next, and keep watching. Take care and God bless you.